Alright, here we're going to do the install of the BD4000 on a wood studded frame. So as you can see in here, we have a 2 1/8 inch bore all the way to the second stud. We're going to use this king stud as our mounting position. So we're going to start by installing the bracket. I use 2 screws in the bracket. These are mounting screws for the trim. I use them just as a kind of a guide to hold on to put the bracket in place. Then we're going to install our bolt. Once our bolt's installed, we'll pull these screws out and we'll install the bracket installation screws. After that, we're going to place the trim and test for function. Once we test that, we can install the installation screws for the trim. Now that you have your installation screws installed, you can go ahead and test for function, and we're all set.